everyone, this is Victoria. I'm doing the packing machine in China, Guangzhou Wholesale Packing Equipment Company. And our factory is specialized in various packing machine for PE, PPT, PE, bottles, and cups. Okay, let me show you the machine. This machine is a customer via export to Kyrgyzstan. Now this is a machine, liquid filling sealing machine. Let me show you the working process. Start and then running. You can see the cup and then it will filling, fill sections, and heat sealing. After finish, it will be out from this conveyor. Let me show you the effect of this machine. Okay. And then this is a similar samples of this machine. And we could be used for the jam and the spicy sauce. Okay. If you wanna know more the knowledge about the packing machine, please contact me.